So we finally got a rental car. We're leaving San Jose. Where are we going?
Monte Verde.
We're headed to Monte Verde and we're gonna go see a waterfall today. We got like a 2-hour drive ahead of us, but it's gorgeous. So I am more than happy about it. Let's do it. It is absolutely gorgeous here. Monte Verde, almost there. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see there's cows. They're so cute. We made it, y'all. We're finally, this is where we're staying. That's our hotel right there. Hotel Sloth Backpackers. It's so pretty here, y'all. It's raining a little bit, but it feels great. Much better than San Jose. Very tropical. I'm so happy. So, these natural orchids. Wait, Thomas, come stand by it for comparison.
This is a turkey.
It is a turkey. These are Walmart orchids. These are not natural, apparently. Ooh, super cool. But yeah, we've been lied to. These were made in a lab. They're pretty, but they won't even reproduce naturally, so they're worthless to nature. These, on the other hand, these are real orchids. If it could focus. Wow. Liar! Wow, y'all. So pretty.
The fact that they just like tie them to the tree and then they just become a part of the tree.
I know.
For beauty.
The bonsai trees here, super cool. All of them have orchids attached to them. They're not blooming right now, but there they are.
Dude, that looks like watermelon.
I want to eat it. Did you guys know that vanilla is made from orchids? We learned that today. Gorgeous. Spider orchid. It looks like a spider to trick wasps. The more you know. I just can't get over the bonsais. They're so cool. Look at this one. Uh-huh. Super pretty. Oh my goodness. See, and the trees aren't flowering. There's just orchids growing on it.
You said that.
Monte Verde, everyone. We've only been to 2 places in Costa Rica, but I have to say this one takes the cake. That's for sure. All right, y'all. We finally go into the waterfall. Ooh, Papi Chulo. You know, we low-key had to pay for this, but like, apparently there's 5 waterfalls and we're the only ones here, so I consider it completely worth it. It was like $15 though, it's not bad. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I can hear it, let's do it. There it is. Ooh! Ay, 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 ay. Oh my god, guys, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'll try to keep the camera more steady. Ay, 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 ay. God, that's so pretty. You getting in? Let's see it. Go on in. All right, you have to record me.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You got this.
Can we swim in it?
Yes. I believe in you. Woo! Yeah! Nice job, baby. Nice job. Oh my god, an alligator! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Just kidding. Woo! You made it! Woo! Waterfall number 2, numero 2. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's like naked and afraid out here. Y'all, like, are you joking? Oh my gosh. Let's go see it. Mushroom, or not mushroom, but fungus. God, I love nature. Except for the spiders. There have been lots of spider webs and some big ants. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so big. I think this is the Rainbow Waterfall. It's the biggest one here. Wow. Freaking phenomenal. Go in! It feels good! Go all the way! Yeah! Oh yeah! Give us a little booty shake! Oh yeah! That's what's up! God, it just makes you feel so small. I'm so happy. So This is the waterfall that was far away in that video I took not too long ago. It's massive. Oh my gosh. We both ate shit at the same time. There's the big waterfall, the rainbow, that we took a bath in. Headed back there now. Oh my God, how rare. I've spotted a wild Thomas in its natural habitat. Crikey, did you hear its mating call? Isn't that fascinating? Nature is amazing.